How do you heal yourself? Exercise is a source of nutrients, the source of healing. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to move your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. I feel when I exercise, I feel my whole ancestor exercise with me. So I feel very healed in my body. So I don't feel fear, I don't feel afraid that I do alone. I have trust in this body. The healing elements always there. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to move your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. This body is miracle. You recognize you can move your hands, and that is miracle. And when you recognize that you can move your hand, you recognize that you are alive. You are alive in this moment. And that is healing. That is wonderful to have this body. You can move, you can breathe, you can relax, and you can heal at the same time. So I have that trust anytime that when I do exercise. I trust to this body. I entrust my body, and my body entrusts me. Today in this video, we will have a 10 minutes to practice Qigong to release the stress and anxieties, cultivate the calmness and stillness for your body. At the same time, to make your mind calm and at ease. Open our palms, breathe in, out. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. Move the body to the left and to the right. Lower your two knees a little bit. One hand touch shoulders and another hand touch your lower back. Open our shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Bend your two knees down a little bit. Stretch your hands. Look like you are swinging backwards with your shoulders and your palms. In, out, in, out. Okay. Stand by one leg. And relax your heels, your neck, and your hands. And do reverse. Relax your wrist. Another leg. And reverse. That's wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. To bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. Feel your 2 feet on the ground. Feel your 2 palms from your lower abdomen. You breathe in, you feel your lower abdomen rising. Breathe out, falling, and let it go. Inhale the rising of the lower abdomen. Exhale, falling of the lower abdomen. And let it go, all worries and tensions from the whole body. Okay, so the first movement we call the shaking body, bouncing legs and toe. Okay, so we stand 2 legs parallel together, and then you shake your hands and you bounce in your legs and your toes. Okay, so look like you are jumping, and the toes, your feet touching the ground and jumping a little bit, like a bouncing your feet and your legs. And then you shake your palms, your hands. At the same time, release all tensions and worries, okay? Breathe in, out. To release all worries, anxieties and fear from your legs, from your hands, from your heart, and from the whole body. At the same time, you feel your mind here, free, and at ease. Okay, breathe in, out, release tension. Breathe in, out, let it go. Inhale, exhale. That's wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep, exhale slow. You feel your two knees and your legs. You feel your feet on the ground. It's so wonderful to be alive. It's wonderful to have two legs to jump and to have body. That you shake your hands and you feel alive. Okay. So the next movement we call the cleansing breath. Okay. So breathe in, raise your hands up, and also you raise your heels up, and then out, and then you shaking your hands down and you put your heels down and raise your toes a little bit. Okay, you bend your body a little bit. So we call the cleansing breath. Inhale, exhale, in, out, inhale, exhale. So you shake your whole body and then cleanse your breath. In, out. So breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and look like you make the sound like that. In, let it go. In, out. Release all worries. Okay, be free yourself. Cultivate the freedom. Cultivate the calmness for your body and your mind. Breathe in, out, in, in, inhale, exhale, with the out breath, you let go. Let go all the anxieties and sorrows. Let go all fear. In, out. Let go all the stress. In, out. One more time. Inhale, exhale. That's wonderful. Breathe in, open your palms. Out. Release all tensions from your shoulders, on your hands, on your legs. To feel your lower abdomen. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. That's wonderful. So you can do some few massage movements. One hand inside, another hand outside. Okay. And then you can massage with a clockwise. Okay. So massage your lower abdomen, your belly. To feel your body, to feel your lower abdomen. This one can help yourself to improve your digestive system, make your lower abdomen more happy, and relax your stomach. Okay. You press a little bit and make a circle. And then you can massage your two palms together, okay? Until you feel warm. And then side by side. The other side. And then you can put your two hands on your face, okay? Massage your face up and down, breathe in. Release all tensions from your face. Release all worries from the skin of the face, okay? To do this often, to help yourself to refresh your face, refresh yourself to be more happy, to be joyful, to be alive, okay? Close your eyes and then breathe in. Out. Out. You open your 10 fingers and then put on your head. Okay. You brush your hair in the back. Okay. And beside and in front. So look like you are brushing your hair, your head. Do acute pressure on your head to help yourself to relax your brain, to release tensions from your brain, from your head. Stop your thinking and offer yourself smile. Okay. Breathe in, out. That's wonderful. So make the two hands together and then you massage your lower back. Two hands go down, two legs, and go to front. And go down again in the back. You can do 3 rounds like that, okay? That's wonderful. Inhale, open your palms. Exhale. Put right palms on your heart and left palm on your lower abdomen. You may close your eyes and feel your whole body. Look like you are embracing your body, okay? With gratitude, with love and care. Breathe in, out. You feel your heart. You feel your lungs, all internal organs. They are alive. And you are very grateful to be alive, to have these internal organs healthy, strong, and alive. So feel grateful and offer a smile to them. Offer a smile to your body. Breathe in, out, in, out. Release all worries and tensions from your whole body. Feel the Mother Earth with you. The nature is so nice. The sunsets, the breeze, the water, the river, the space. Mother Earth is always beautiful. She's there for you. So you feel grateful to the Mother Earth. Breathe in, out. Release tensions. Open the palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow.